Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Nissan Skyline GTR R33 400R from Ignition model. So that was the paper sleeve, and now moving on to the car, which looks really beautiful in this metallic red color. Over here, on the carbon fiber printed base, you can see the metal plate which says BCNR33 Nismo 400R. Onto the details of the car. The headlights are really well made, and you can see the 400R logo on the front grille. That's the intercooler, and there are the various vents which are really well detailed. There's a vent over here as well, and that's the wheel, and there's a small Skyline logo on the bottom part of the fender. And these are the bonnet vents. There's a black stripe going across the car, and there's the 400R logo at the end. There's a small 400R logo on the side of the rear wing as well. Moving on to the back, which is really well detailed, there's the 400R logo, Skyline logo, Nissan logo, and the Nismo 400R license plate. It also says limited production over here. This is the right side of the car. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. Moving on to the interior. But before that, I'd like to show you how the paint looks in light. You can see the metal flakes shining. So this is the driver's side. There's the steering wheel. The dashboard is really well detailed. And these are the bucket seats. And this is the passenger side, and near the glove box you can see something like a few gauges, but I think they are mode lines because they are not present on the real car. The rear windshield is tinted black and it does not allow any light to pass through. I am not sure why they did this, but on the real car it's just plain glass. And that's the carbon fiber rear wing. This is the only way I can show you behind the front seats, as the windshield is tinted. The rear view mirror has silver paint on it, but it still looks really good. One thing I forgot to show you earlier are the brakes, which are only visible in light. There's the brake disc and caliper, as you can see. I'll unscrew the car now, and that's the carbon fiber printed base. The car looks really nice. That's the chassis, which is really well detailed, but it would have been nice if the exhaust were painted in silver. There is silver only on the exhaust tip. The back wheel does not roll, but the front wheel rolls quite freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.